Hi, I'm Anna Sharma, and you're watching Not Just Any Review. With Disney Hotstar, Netflix, and Amazon Prime coming to our rescue, we have been able to keep ourselves entertained without stepping out of our houses, going to movie halls, sitting at the comfort of our homes, and being able to watch our favorite movies and TV series. So there has been a line of movies that are still in queue to be released. Some of them already have, some of them will be in the later times. One of them, which I ended up missing, was Khuda Hafiz. I hadn't seen it on the release date itself because of several reasons.
अरे नोमन के तेल के कुओं के आगे रिसेशन पानी नहीं मांगेगा, देखना आप।
आपके आने में तो 5-6 दिन की तो बात है।
हेलो
समीर,
नरगिस,
मुझे वापस घर आना है समीर।
नरगिस, मुझे मेरी नरगिस चाहिए, बस।
However, this weekend I decided कि नहीं अब तो देखनी ही है because I heard a lot of good things about the movie, so I decided, you know what, okay, let's watch it. It's a 2-hour 15 minutes movie, and there are a few hits, quite a lot of misses because I personally did not like the movie that much. I had high expectations from Vidyut Jamwal because मुझे लगा था that he'll do a great job. However, throughout the movie, 2 hours 15 minutes, the only expression I could see on his face was an expression where he was ready to go and shoot a fight scene. Even when something really bad happened to him in the movie, he was even when he was crying, वो same ही expression था, throughout the movie it was there, and you can tolerate it for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. After that, you tend to get annoyed. I think 10 minutes into the movie, I was like, देखनी भी चाहिए या नहीं? Am I even sure if I want to watch it? Anyway, if we talk about the side cast, Shiv Pandit, who sort of looks like the Rang De Basanti Siddharth, has done a good job. He looks convincing enough. Ahana Kumra has done a decent job. She's been better than the lead actress Shivalika Oberoi. Anu Kapoor is a good actor in itself, so unko matlab, you can't criticize him much. He was good enough. One thing that irked me throughout the movie was the fake accent. I mean, if you cannot speak like Middle Easterns, please do not try. Let it be. The accent was so damn fake that it will irritate anybody who is out there. Shivalika Oberoi is a pretty looking girl, but has no expressions. I think उसका ज़्यादा रोल नहीं है मूवी में because most of the time Vidyut Jamwal is running to find her and to keep her safe. But no matter जितने time के लिए वो है, it is slightly annoying. I mean, how long will a person see you expressionless? She reminded me of Kristen Stewart in Twilight series. Anyway, talking about the storyline, I liked it. The storyline was nice. I wish they had named the country something else and not Noman. I mean, it was very weird that they named it Republic of Noman. And in the map, they showed Noman exactly where Oman is. I mean, please, yeah, come on. Do something. Mat dikhao map. What is even the point of it? Even if you want to change names and you don't want to, show a country in bad light, do something innovative, right? How can you change Oman into Noman? Weird. Anyway, so if you haven't watched the movie, don't watch it. I think you're not missing out on much if you're not watching it. I wish I see Vidyut Jamwal in some other movie where his action sequences are more, because I think his face, his body language is more of a person who does action sequences. Even in this movie, the action sequences have been great. They've been good enough. But I think, yeah, I wish I can see that. Shivalika Oberoi also, I hope she brings in some expressions and learns from whatever has happened. When it comes to rating a movie, I think I will not be able to give it more than 2 stars because there were instances in between where I fast forwarded because I did not want to watch the whole thing. I was like, nahi dekh sakti, you know. And even the music, no. I am a big music lover. I did not like it. So that's that. Anyway, please like and subscribe our video if you like it. Please mention in the comment section what did you like, what did you not like, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.